Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Monday.com Form Responses. This tutorial will walk you through the process of creating and managing form responses in Monday.com, a powerful work operating system. To get started, navigate to your Monday.com account and create a new board or open an existing one. Forms are a great way to collect data and information from users, and can be used for a variety of purposes such as surveys, feedback, and lead generation. To create a new form, click on the plus icon in the top right corner of your board and select Form. Choose a template or start from scratch and add your desired fields in questions. You can add various field types such as text, multiple choice, and rating scales. Once you have created your form, you can share it with others by clicking on the share icon and copying the link. You can also embed the form on your website or share it on social media. As users submit responses to your form, the data will be collected in your Monday.com board. You can view and manage the responses by clicking on the form item in your board. Here you can see a list of all the responses, and you can also filter and sort the data to get the insights you need. One of the powerful features of Monday.com is the ability to automate workflows based on form responses. For example, you can create a workflow that sends a notification to a team member when a new response is submitted, or that assigns a task to a team member based on the response. To automate a workflow, click on the Automate icon in the top right corner of your board and select a trigger. Choose the form response trigger and set up the conditions and actions. You can also use conditional logic to create complex workflows. Best practices for using Monday.com form responses include keeping your forms concise and easy to use, testing your forms before sharing them with others, and using workflows to automate tasks and improve efficiency. In conclusion, Monday.com form responses are a powerful tool for collecting and managing data. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create and manage forms, automate workflows, and get the insights you need to make informed decisions. With its ease of use and powerful features, Monday.com is a great choice for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and improve productivity.